Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mango croissant full guide. Start by measuring ingredients precisely, peel and dice mangoes, bloom yeast in warm milk, and mix flour with a pinch of salt. Cut cold butter into cubes, incorporate gently until coarse crumbs form, then add liquids to bring dough together. Wrap dough, chill thoroughly, and plan 3 to 4 folds with 30 to 60-minute rests between. Lamination creates the signature croissant lift, so work cool and steady. Roll dough into a rectangle, place softened butter slab in the center, fold edges over like an envelope, then roll out and fold into thirds. Repeat this roll and fold process 3 times, chilling 30 to 60 minutes between each set to relax gluten and firm butter. Keep workspace cool and handle dough minimally to preserve layers and prevent butter melt. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker I use for timers and playlists while baking. It makes hands-free control easy and fun in a busy kitchen, and you can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. For shaping, trim the dough into even triangles, then gently stretch each base before placing mango filling. Use either a spoonful of mango jam or small diced mango with a touch of sugar to avoid excess moisture. Roll from base to tip while keeping layers intact, then curve ends for a crescent shape. Place shaped croissants on a lined tray, brush with egg wash, and proof in a warm spot until visibly puffed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.